Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to make this beautiful and very easy baby blanket pattern. This is very easy and it's made by only 2 rows. For this pattern, I used Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can use any yarn and any hook size you want. If you're ready, let's get started. I start the work with a slip knot. Now I want to start chaining. The number of chains in this pattern should be a multiple of 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And repeat these groups of 4 chains several times until the length of these chains reach the desired size. And at the end, add 1 chain. I made 32 chains and now start row 1. Skip the first chain and go to the second chain and make 1 single crochet into that. We have to make 1 single crochet into each chain of foundation chains. So insert the hook into each chain and yarn over pull through 2 loops and repeat that until the end of the row and make single crochets. Row 1 is finished and now I have 32 stitches, 1 less than the foundation chains, and now start row 2. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and turn the work. Now yarn over, insert hook into next stitch of previous row, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. And again, yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop on the hook, and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Okay? Now I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Now make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here we have 1 little space. Yarn over, insert hook into that space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now yarn over and insert the hook around the first 3 chains here from front to back to front, and yarn over, then yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. Now for next time, yarn over 3 times and insert the hook into next stitch of row 1 here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first, and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert hook into the next, yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and repeat that 2 more times. 1 and 2. Okay, now yarn over and pull through these 4 loops on the hook, and again yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first, then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook into this little hole, and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. One more time. Okay, now yarn over, insert the hook around the first stitch here, from front to back to front, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We have to repeat this section several times until the end of the row. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into next stitch of previous row here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat that 3 more times for next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now yarn over, pull through these 4 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first only, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into this hole over these 4 stitches, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat that one more time into same hole, and then yarn over and insert the hook around the first stitch here, and yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And we have to repeat this part until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 2, and now we have to repeat row 1. So make a chain and turn the work and insert the hook into first stitch and make 1 single crochet, then make 1 single crochet into each of next stitches of previous row, and continue this work and make 1 single crochet into all stitches until the end of the row. Now at the end of row 3, I make last single crochet into 4th chain of these 4 chains of previous row, and row 3 is finished. And for next row I have to repeat row 2. So make 3 chains and turn the work and yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first, and pull through 2. Again, repeat that for next stitch and again for the next, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, then make 4 chains, yarn over, insert the hook into this hole, yarn over, pull through the first, pull through 2, pull through 2, and repeat that one more time into same hole, and then yarn over, insert the hook around these 3 chains at the beginning from front to back to front, and yarn over, pull through the first, pull through 2, and pull through 2. This is the first stitch, and for next stitches we have to yarn over 3 times and insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, and pull through 2, and again repeat that for next 3 stitches. And yarn over, pull through 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into this hole, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, 2, and 2. Again, pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and yarn over, insert the hook around the first stitch of these 4 stitches, and yarn over, pull through 1, 2, and 2, and after that repeat this part for each 4 stitches until the end of the row. And after that we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rounds 1 2 3 4 5 times totally. And now this is my pattern. You can see the front view of the pattern, and this is the back view of the pattern. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.